In this tutorial, I am going to show you a quick routine for gray hair using Mielle Organics. After many years of dyeing my mother's hair, I was finally able to convince her to just go gray when I moved to New York because, after all, who was going to keep it up for her anyway? And as it turns out, her gray is beautifully blended into her brown strands and is super healthy. I am starting with the Exfoliating Shampoo, which removes excess buildup of product and excess oils. And since my mother has an oily scalp, this is great to cleanse but not strip natural moisture. It has a blend of oils and a touch of oat protein to replenish hair and keep it strong. After shampooing and rinsing in warm water, I am going to deep condition with the Mongongo Oil Protein-Free Conditioner. I like this one because it is strictly focused on moisture, which gray strands need a lot of. The absence of melanin in the strands leaves it more susceptible to dehydration, taking on more of a wiry texture. That's not to say that the hair doesn't need any protein, it just doesn't need an abundance of it. I am going to steam this conditioner for about 7 or 8 minutes and then rinse it out. Now I am going to apply the white peony leave-in, which has some hydrolyzed silk to strengthen and smooth, along with a host of botanical ingredients to keep hair healthy. My mom is at a point in her life where she likes the front of her hair to have a lot of volume and nothing touching her neck. So I give her a haircut that satisfies those parameters. It's essentially an angled layered bob. I have always cut her hair wet, and I do that pretty much with all of my clients unless we are doing thermal. Every stylist is different, and this is just my way to really feel the hair in its raw state. That gives me a sense of your porosity, shrinkage, curl pattern variances, and overall elasticity. Now we are ready to set the hair with the Brazilian Cocktail Curl Mousse. Those of you who follow me closely know I love a good mousse. They are lightweight, don't flake, provide lots of volume, and keep hair flexible yet defined. My mother has low density curly hair, and those heavy gels and creams and butters make her hair way too hard and greasy. This foam sets her curls to perfection with a nice blend of organic Brazilian oils. My mother's hair dries fast with mousse, so we're just going to diffuse it all the way. She's a no-fuss kind of gal, so I have always had to build her hairstyles around the fact that she is disinterested in spending lots of time on her hair. This wash and go routine with mousse, coupled with her shorter length, gets her entire process down to about 30 to 40 minutes. Something else to note about this collection is that there are no artificial dyes in the products. Dyes like red number 47, yellow number 32, blue number 4, and so on that you see in the ingredients list of some products can cause staining to gray strands as it can absorb into the hair shaft over time. If you find that your gray hair looks stained, yellow or green toned, you can incorporate a toning shampoo into your regimen to remove it. To finish, I am going to take a pea-sized amount of the pomade to oil treatment, scrunch it into her curls, fluff it all up, and then we will be done. This pomade softens and adds shine, and it can be used on wet or dry hair. Mother's Day is right around the corner, and if you are struggling to decide what to give the woman that has everything, you can be an advocate of her beauty and self-care with thousands of hair care, skin, and nail products and tools at Sally Beauty. You can find everything I used in this tutorial in the About section below or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.